Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so today we're going to talk about Lululemon belt bags. I'm going to compare the three main sizes for you. I'm going to show you them. I will pop up pictures of me wearing them, things like that. But first we're going to do a Lululemon shoe unboxing, which I did already unbox these on TikTok, but they are the rest feel slides. I already have them. You guys know I love them. I rave about them. I really, really wanted them in black because I have no black sandals anymore and I just wanted them in black. My feet are dirty. I need to clean the floor in here. Anyways, I get them in a size 8 because they only come in full sizes, and my true size for footwear is 8.5, but I absolutely love them. I'm super casual right now. These shorts are the Abercrombie Your Personal Best running shorts, and they've got these these bike shorts in here. I love them. And then this is my one of my a cloud bras, and this is the Define jacket. But yeah, how cute are they? So comfy. So comfy. So I went to the mall this week and I picked them up. They were the only thing I picked up. So obviously not enough to do a haul, but I know that I have promised that I would do a belt bag video comparison. And if you didn't see well, by the time you're seeing this, it'll probably have been about 3 weeks ago, I put up the best and worst of Lulu, for me, for what I've tried, and I haven't even tried that much, but it was a requested video. It's been really popular, and I just talked about the pieces I love, the pieces that I've bought that I returned or sold, whatever. So check that out if you haven't. But in that video, I didn't really get into the belt bags. I said that I was going to do a separate video, so that is this one. So I have quite a few. But we're gonna talk about the smaller one. I guess it's just the mini belt bag, and then we're gonna talk about the 1 liter, the 2 liter. The only reason I even have a 2 liter is because my mom had one she didn't want anymore, and so she gave it to me. Quite honestly, I think I'm just gonna sell it for her though, but I've been holding on to it just to do this video so you can see the size comparison. And then I also have the velour and the Sherpa, which I don't even know if those are available anymore, but I'll just go ahead and show you so you can see the texture. Obviously, everything is going to be linked down below, the bags, and maybe I'll link. They just came out with a clear belt bag. I really wish I would have picked one up because a lot of sporting events now are not allowing bags, although usually I can get away with the mini. But I'm going to a baseball game tomorrow, and on the ticket, it says clear bags only. So now I'm I have no bag to bring. That's a side note, but they did come out with a clear one. Might be a good idea to pick one up if you go to concerts, sporting events, things like that. And yeah, there's a couple other ones the Clean Lines bag. There are other ones I have not tried. These are just the everyday. Okay, first I'm just going to show you the 3 sizes, and I want to let you know, when I just checked online right now, each size is available in so many colors, the most I've ever seen. I'm starting to wonder if the belt bag's starting to fade out, it's not as popular, because even when I was in the store a few days ago, there were so many. Now, there weren't great colors, there wasn't a Sonic Pink, there weren't any purple, there weren't any of the new vibrant colors, but there were a lot of belt bags in stock. But yeah, so I have the 3 sizes, and there's a ton. Not necessarily the colors I have, because I've had these for a while, but a ton of colors. So this is the medium size, or I'm sorry, this is the mini belt bag. This is the normal, the 1 liter. And then this is the large, which they call it the 2 liter. So you can see that's a significant difference. And yeah, to me, this is almost the size of a shoulder bag I would carry, not really a belt bag. But let's start out with this one. I actually wore this one last night. I went to the Dolphins game, and it's orange, so it's perfect. And they're still allowing tiny bags, so I was able to bring this in. But tomorrow I'm going to a baseball game, and I was hoping I could bring this, but now I'm not really sure, but it's funny because anything that's in here, like I'll just pop in my pockets, but whatever. So this one, okay, the mini has a thing on the back, like not a zipper, a thing. It has a little pouch, and then it obviously opens up, and then inside it has one mesh pocket and then just an opening. And so this is such a side note, but I have been loving this YSL Libre perfume. I have like a few samples. This one's almost gone, and I need to just like actually buy the real thing, but I've been trying to just like see how many samples I can find because I have so many perfume samples from Nordstrom from buying stuff. But the biggest thing I wanted to show you is I have the iPhone. Isn't it horrible? Like, which iPhone do I have? I have the iPhone 12, I believe, because it's time. I feel like my phone lasts for about 2 years, and then it's time for me to get a new one. It just seems to be how it is. Okay, I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I want you to see size-wise. It will fit in the mini. It will fit in there. But mind you, like last night when I used this bag, because I had other stuff in here, my phone wasn't going to fit in as well. So if you do put your phone in there, you're probably not going to have room for too much more. And the like mesh, you could just get it. You could just get it into that mesh thing, but then like you're just really limited in what else you can get in there, and you're not going to want it to be stuffed. Like here's, just so you guys can see, like there's sunglasses, which generally you're going to be wearing them, but like last night it got dark. I did pop my sunglasses in here, and my phone just stayed like in my back pocket, right? But you can get quite a bit in here. Hold on. I have like keys like this. Like I have a key fob for my car. I could obviously like take that off. If we wanted to put in a lip gloss, let's put the phone back in just so you could see how like full that's starting to get. So with something like this, I have a card holder that I usually use. Card holder, here we go. So I use a card holder, and like, you know, that could fit in there, but usually with this one, I will just go ahead and take out like my license and credit card that I was using. I had pulled out of this and popped them in here with money, but you could get card holder, lip gloss, phone, and a key in there. You could, and it'll work. It's going to be a little bit heavy though. So with this belt bag, I don't know, I started doing where I actually wear the belt bags around my waist again, and that's how I wore it last night. I'm going to pop up the outfit. I felt like it was so cute for the dolphins, even though I'm not really a Dolphins fan, but my husband really is. So you can kind of see like how that's going to fit like that, but like this is heavy. So that's why I prefer to not have my phone. And then the other option is going to be to do crossbody. But this size, like I said, if you're going to an event where they have like a size limitation in bags, it's not that it has to be clear. This one is going to work. So like that's how it looks crossbody. And when I just looked, like there's so many colors. I actually feel like I'd love just the all black one because it's going to go with more. My mom had bought this one for her and I for spring training in March for the Mets, because we would go to the Mets game. So I was able to use it for all the Mets games. I think it was also available in like a pretty purple, which is pretty. The 1 liter bag. And this one, what I usually do, well, let's talk about it first. So this one has a zipper in the back. So the part that's against you, it's zippered instead of just a pocket like the mini. And I actually love that because this is where I put money. So usually in this, right now there's like a gift card and some ice cream thing in there, but usually I just put money in that, zip it, and I'm good. Not like credit cards, but just money. And then inside it has one big mesh pad, hair thing in there, one big mesh on one side, but then on the other side it has like dual mesh pockets. So they're split, so it's like you get 2 smaller pockets. The mini one doesn't have that. So what I generally do is I put my money in the zipper, the inside zipper. Then my little YSL holder, I usually put that in this pouch just to keep it so I know that it's in there. And then in the little pouches, I can now do my key in one pouch, and then I could do my lip gloss in another pouch, and then I still have this whole opening. So my phone is easily gonna fit in there. So much easier, not stuffed, tons of room. A lot of times I will also put in like, you know, Advil, something like that. But let's see if we wanted to do sunglasses. I never use sunglass cases because I buy cheap sunglasses, but there are sunglasses and a phone. And you can see, like, totally fine. Here it is on my waist. This style I have in quite a few colors. Like, so good, so comfy. It doesn't feel heavy like the other one, which is strange, but I don't know, something about the size, it just doesn't. And then I can also do this one crossbody. So I do have this in quite a few colors, like I said, but I don't think any of them are actually available. But there's a lot of colors available right now, like the Sonic Pink, which I know is one people have been wanting. I think it was Sonic Pink, not the lip gloss. I saw that it was available in. And then I told you I have this in black velour, but that's not available anymore. And then I have the black and tan Sherpa, which I can show you them. I mean, size-wise, they're gonna be the same, but I don't think that they are available. And then if I wanted to do like crossbody, generally you want it to be like below, you know, you don't want it up here, you want it like below the breast. Just so you can see if you haven't, this is the velour one. At one point they had it in black and it's like, I'm gonna say like a dark teal. And then these are like the Sherpa or fleece. And they had these two colors. And then they also had like a caramel color, but I just don't think any of these are available. They might come back out during fall time. What's cool about the Sherpa ones is you get metal detail. So gold and then silver, this one as well. So they're just like a little bit more of like an elevated belt bag, I would say. And lastly, we have the large. And like I said, I didn't even purchase this. My mom did, and then I think she just realized she didn't really like the large size. But zipper on the inside, and then this part is the same. One big mesh and two big mesh. It kind of does, like, has that thing on the side, like expand. It has just like more reinforcement, and it's just bigger, so it's gonna fit a lot more. I mean, it's gonna fit everything the last one fit. One thing, obviously my camera is, you know, in front of me. This is my camera case, so I was kind of curious. So a lot of times I would probably take the camera out of the case if I just had it in a bag, but I was kind of curious, like my phone's in there and I could get my camera case in there. So, and I could still fit, like, obviously money there. Wallet is still gonna go inside. Like all the same stuff is, well, maybe not the sunglass, but that's like in a ridiculous camera. If my camera was just in there without the case, everything would fit. But yeah, I mean, this is basically just like a size of like a small crossbody purse now. So like I said, I don't really see myself using this one. So I'm probably just gonna pop it up on Poshmark just for my mom, since it was actually her. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any other video recommendations, let me know down in the comment section. Whenever I get a recommendation, I do write it down. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.